All right, yes, welcome. Yes, straight to the main point. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, thank you so much for those ones who have been subscribing. Yes, I already see the new members, the new subscribers. Please, you welcome to the channel where you find all the hairstyles that you need to learn. But before, let's
Maurice, the Crochet Master.
do this.
Maurice, the Crochet Master.
All right, yes, a welcome back from that, and I hope like everyone have made the subscription red button, and you should always ring the bell. Yes, and I think you're missing out those ones who haven't joined my the membership. You can always go and join so that you can have your package for the package yourself. You can get a package. Yes, as we are doing this today, I have something also somehow different. Sorry, like from these ones that I've been uploading. I remember we did the inside note list, the one that I posted, and so far we made it with the 1 million views. And yes, indeed, so I decided like since the other ones we did it was in threes, and then I thought of how can we still do it when it is in that twist format. And now in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can do the inside cornrows, but that with it that when it is with the natural tangle. And this is how it is going to be like this. So the beginning is always going to be like the other one. The beginning is always going to be like the other one, the previous video that I posted. So we shall be beginning it with that way of the inside knot lace, the way if you try to look at me the way I'm starting from down, it is the same thing. And I always try to tell you that I always use this method when doing the twisting, so that it can be very easy for me, like when it comes to the repair. So the repair is always very simple here because of this beginning. Because if you want to lock it, it will always be easy for you to lock it when you start it this way. So I would like you to listen to me very careful before you do most of these mistakes that I've just found out when doing this kind of a hairstyle. Yes, to those ones with broken hairline, it might be very hard for you to achieve this hairstyle just because of the way we started from down when we are in front. So if you try to look at here, if you try to look at her hair, they look to not be having the hairline, you understand, but we realized that her hair, this is just the baby hair. It's not like maybe it broke. No, it is her baby hair. But now I'm trying to give you the good thing of it. Like if you have long hair, even in front, trust me, this hairstyle will always look perfect, and even it might last longer. But now if you have like a broken hairline, it will always be hard for you when you're trying to maintain it. It will always be hard for you, yes, when you have short broken hairline. So those are the things that you should always know about it. And something else I realized, those ones always like to overpack their hairstyle. I think this might be not good, like to overpack, mostly just because this kind of hair, you might not want to hold it puff. You understand? You would always you'd want to leave it free. Yes, so it is always very good not to overpack it, because it when you overpack it, sometimes it loses the style. And so you should plate it accordingly, and then remember of the things that we're using. You can always use the artificial, you can the things you use, sorry, you can always use the afro kinky. Yes, and for the gel that we're always using when applying, I always explain this. It is the molding gel. Yes, it is the molding gel that I always use. So if you want to have it, if you want it to look this way, you can always use the molding gel when starting the hair. And I explained why I always use the molding gel is that for it can hold the hair together. And then this is how you just have to plait it as the way of twisting. And I know most of you guys know how to do the twisting. Yes, that one, even if we don't explain like that, most of you guys know how to do that. So this is what you do, and you make sure at times they're equal. Yes, you find some are equal, some are short. So this is how you can always twist it. You can always twist it. So if you find some are equal, when you find it very short, you can always add on. As you can see, you can always add on. And remember, we are going to pour the bead. So why I was trying to tell you that you're not supposed to overpack it. Sometimes when you overpack like this kind of hair, and yet you're going to apply the beads, so it becomes very hard for that person to maintain it. So it will always be good, at least you try to maintain your braids, like not to overpack it. Yes, not to overpack it. That won't be good. So this is what I got for you. So you can compare these two videos for the twist and the other one of the threes, and you tell me what you are thinking, and maybe which one do you feel like, yep, you can do, like you yourself, what you can do. Always go in my comment section, tell me wherever you are, and please, you can always make a comment to tell me which one that you prefer when it comes to these the inside knot laces plus the inside knot laces. This one, okay guys, my name is Maurice, the coach in my side. I love you so much. May God bless you too. May God bless you all. Yes, bye bye, see you guys.